Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another you versus them. And these are general collective readings. Libra will not resonate with all of you. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Libra, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for being here, being so supportive to the channel. And if you're new here, Libra, we welcome you also. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. And newbies, Libra, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, I'll have your mutual energies and your action cards as to what action you guys will take. And your dialogue message cards. I'm just trying to internalize these cards. Give me a second. Okay, action for person A and action for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Ten of Wands in reverse, Libra. Setting down a burden. Let's see what that is. So from person A side, Libra, I think person, see, you could be this side, you could be that side, I don't know. I'm just reading two energies. For me, this is person A who's kind of sick of the stagnancy. There's been too much of slow energy or nothing moving at all. Person A is kind of giving up. I think they're the one who putting down the burden and saying, hey, I'll start from scratch now and create something solid for myself maybe now. Start from ground zero, because nothing really moved in this connection. Where person B is concerned, they have made some kind of decision now. They have kind of made their choice. Maybe they were unwilling to see the truth or make a decision for a very long time. But now they have made a decision, but they are also now feeling a bit embarrassed. Or they did make a decision and that decision was wrong. And now they're feeling very embarrassed and ashamed about it. What I'm going to do, Libra, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards and see if you guys wanted to say something to each other, what that would be. And then we'll start clarifying these cards. Libra and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Libra and their person. Libra and their person. If they could say something to each other now. Let's take a few from here. Libra and their person. Libra and their person spirit. All right, good to go. Let's begin your reading, Libra. The first card here says, they keep saying you're coming back, but you're not here yet. Are you coming back? Yes, I got a comment the other day on one of the readings where one Aries asked me, I've been following your channel for the last 1 year, but they're not back yet. And this is exactly what the card says. Yes, I do see that things have not moved at all. Things are stagnant. Things have just not moved. And that's kind of frustrating person A to feel if there's not going to be any movement, then I might as well start somewhere else and begin again from scratch. I'm learning that I still have a great life without you. See, that's maybe that is the lesson that person A had to learn, of not being dependent on person B and still be able to have a great life with or without them. I honestly don't think anyone will love you more than I do. Just saying. So person A has been waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting because they did really love person B, but they never came back, or they haven't till now at least, and they're saying, all right, if you're not going to come back, if you feel you can find somebody better, go ahead, but I know that nobody can ever love you the way I loved you. I never loved them. It was just about sex. I love you. So this is the embarrassment here. This is the choice I think person B made to maybe go after third parties or have a good time elsewhere. And now that things are out in the open, now this person is feeling very ashamed and embarrassed that they chose lust over love. But now they're also realizing that the love is only for person A. Manifesting myself so I can be good enough to win you back. So, here it is. They're still trying. I keep looking up at the stars, hoping you're looking at them at the same time that I do. So that's again stagnancy. They're not coming forward, they're not coming back yet, but they are wishing and hoping from wherever they're sitting, they're looking up at the stars and, thinking of person A. I'll always remember you. You are unforgettable. Just know that I am sorry. Just know that I am sorry. They don't know whether they can ever win person A back or not. Person B is a bit embarrassed and ashamed of their behavior, but they do want person A to know that they are the ones they loved. The rest were all for fun. And just know that I'm sorry for the way I've behaved. This person is going through a lot of embarrassment and shame. So let's see now what's going on. If this is your story, let's start clarifying, Libra. But I'm going to start with an angel blessing card to see if my angels could help here with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. For Libra, you're a leader. Yes, somebody has to now stop being stagnant and take the lead and do something about the situation. This sitting around is not going to bring anyone back or move this connection forward. Somebody has to take the lead, and my angels are, kind of pushing from the back and saying, hey, you are a leader. Go on, take the lead. So I'm going to put this here and let's start clarifying your cards. So I'm going to start with the energies of person A and person A only here. Let's see what person A is going through. Then we'll go on to person B. So you could be person A, you could be person B. I don't know. For me, I'm just reading two energies. So I'm concentrating on person A right now. So they feel that nothing is moving with the Knight of Pentacles. Why is that, Spirit? Yes, they feel their person playing mind games. They feel that their person was always trying to push them down or not make them feel good enough, maybe brought third parties into the situation. Whatever happened between the two of you, Libra, person A feels that this connection was lost even before it began. They feel like somebody really kind of put them down here. Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. How is person A feeling? Page of Pentacles. Even though they're sad, I think that this connection never really had this passionate new beginning that they were hoping for. I think person A is now pulling themselves out of a stuck place. They've been stuck and waiting for a very, very long time for maybe person B to level up or something. But now person A is saying, hey, if that's not going to move, I'm going to move and start again. I'm not going to stay stuck in this situation forever. What else, Spirit? Page of Pentacles. Yes, this person has picked themselves up. They've realized that they can still have a pretty good life with or without person B. They've kind of started really working on themselves, and they are doing a great job. Person A is doing a great job. They're looking beautiful. I mean, they have their work and their projects, and people are looking at them and saying, wow, who's that, and whatever. So person A has already started off stabilizing their own life for themselves and getting out of this waiting zone of being stuck in this connection. What happened as a Spirit in the recent past for person A to feel like that? The Moon. They were always kept in the dark regarding, I think, maybe what person B wanted in this connection or what was going to happen in this connection. Maybe they feel that there was too many secrets, there were too many lies, and they felt that their person never really made a choice. They never made a decision, and they didn't want to stay like that as one of the options. They wanted somebody to choose them and not fight them and not bring conflict into this connection. They always felt, yes, person A feels that their partner never really put in any investment. They feel, there was so much of potential for growth. These seeds should have been underground where one should have watered them, put fertilizer, and a harvest should have grown. But they are feeling that, I couldn't have done this alone. My person kept secrets from me. They lied to me. They never chose me. And now nothing has really fruitified in this connection, even though it had a potential of extreme happiness. This connection really could have made both of us really happy, and they waited and waited for a very long time, for some conflict to end or some fight to end. But I think they finally lost hope in this connection. This Queen of Wands, who's now upright, who's now upright. At that point, I think whatever happened in this connection, they got very upset and angry that they were unable to take any action, and they felt their partner was keeping too many secrets and they were not taking any action. There was absolutely no forward movement in this connection. It made person A feel very angry and upset that a beautiful connection was never nurtured and never given importance. One more, Spirit, for the Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands, what happened in the recent past? Queen of Wands sometimes also represents a third person or the other woman. So maybe there was somebody else in the mix, and because of that, this entire connection, I think, backfired. They feel their partner lied to them or cheated or snuck away from this connection, and whatever they did with maybe a third party, that came to light, the secret came to light maybe, and it backfired on them. The sun kind of lit up and reflected on all the secrets of the moon, and yes, a new beginning which could have happened never happened. They feel their partner was very foolish, that they never respected a connection which could have really given both of you a lot of happiness. So this new beginning never really took off, from what I feel. So how does person A now feel about this connection, Spirit? I think person A somewhere doesn't want to lose person B either. Even after all that's happened, they still have a fear of change, because heart of hearts, they still believe and they still feel an energetic pull maybe, or a telepathic connection with person B. They feel that person B was meant to be their soulmate. They still have a lot of love for person B. Person A, as angry as they are, or as much as they're not waiting anymore, as much as they're upset with person B, they still feel this very strong connection with person B, as if they were a soulmate or something, and they don't want to lose person B completely either. One more, Spirit, for the Death card in reverse. Death card in reverse. They just wait. Somehow person A still is kind of waiting maybe for the truth to come out. They just want their person to come towards them with some honesty, some truth, some clarity, some communication, which I don't think has come yet. So back of their mind, as much as they're showing that, I'm leaving and I don't want to be stuck and blah, 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 whatever. But heart of hearts, I think person B secretly still hopes that the truth will one day be revealed. Somebody will come towards them with some honesty, some truth, some clarity as to what happened, and why was this offer never made? Why was my person always ungrounded? Why were they always chasing after their money and material things and never choosing this connection? Why didn't they put in any investment into the thing that should have mattered most to them? And also about maybe third parties. Heart of hearts, I think, as much as person A is losing hope in a reconciliation or not expecting it, heart of hearts, I think this person is still waiting for a return. Hoping, even if we don't, reconcile, even if we don't decide to get back together, I think person A is still hoping that at least come and tell me the truth, give me some honesty, come back and tell me why. They just want to know why. Even if, you guys go separate ways after that. What action person A will take, I'll open later. Let's go on to person B and see how they're doing. So, Two of Swords. Spirit, why is person B feeling the Two of Swords in reverse energy? What's this Two of Swords? Person B made a decision. They made a decision not to honor this connection at one point. Yes, they hid their emotions. They emotionally tried to manipulate this person A. Just give me a second. Oh, my throat was running dry. Yes, this person in the past, I think, made a decision. They hid their emotions. They emotionally manipulated person A. Even if they felt love in their heart, they never showed it. They were emotionally closed off, and they didn't want to commit. Basically, that was the problem. And they made this decision not to commit, not to reveal themselves honestly. And now, with that decision made, now I think this person is kind of feeling a bit ashamed and embarrassed about the choice that they've made. Six of Wands in reverse. Six of Wands in reverse. Six of Wands in reverse. They wanted to wait. They wanted to wait for a little while, maybe. Yes, the ego and pride came into the mix as well. The ego and pride came into the mix as well. They behaved like a trickster. They manipulated person A. They tricked them. They somewhere went a wrong direction here. Person A is now stuck. They're stuck at crossroads. They can't go backwards. They can't go forward. Because now they realize that this Ten of Pentacles is what they want. They really want this Ten of Pentacles. They want to now appear as the Emperor. They want to come in and, they've always wanted that. They've always wanted to appear like the Top Gun, okay? But I think the way they have behaved in the past, they've been knocked off their pedestal. They're worried now that their person doesn't see them in a very respectable light. Okay, and that is kind of bothering person B. Now they're feeling stuck. Now they're at crossroads, not understanding how to regain back that respect that they've lost. They've lost respect, they feel, in person A's eyes. And now, as much as they want to return, and because heart of hearts, I think this is what they always wanted, but they were, I don't know, for some strange reason, they were just being in their ego and pride, and they made a decision at that point not to, and they thought they can do it later, but this was the wrong decision, and they went in the wrong direction. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit? What happened here? Seven of Wands in reverse. They didn't fight for this connection. When it was right there in their face, I don't think this person ever fought for this connection. They brought a lot of imbalance to this connection. They maybe breadcrumbed their partner big time because they were busy working on something else or someone else. I don't know. They were very, very busy, with their own projects or with maybe their friends, family, other girlfriends, boyfriends, I don't know. But they had a single-minded focus onto something else. And they never fought for this connection and ended up losing their Ten of Cups. So, Six of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Six of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, they feel their partner has now become stronger. Now this very, very balanced connection which they now want is now in jeopardy because there is no equal give and take or no give and take at all. Because first they were not giving, now they feel that their partner is now not ready to support them or give to them, and they've lost a chance to build something with this Queen of Pentacles, because this Queen of Pentacles has taken back their control, taken back their power, and no longer giving into, indulging in their trickster ways. So how does person B now feel about the connection? Oh, they're not happy at all. The Sun in reverse. Why is the Sun in reverse? Why do they see this connection as the Sun in reverse, Spirit, now? Because they feel now they've lost the trust of their partner. They feel their partner will never, ever, ever, ever trust them again. And that they have made their partner very angry and suspicious now with their behavior. Yes, they also, They also see their partner as now single and glowing, absolutely beautiful and abundant and growing and glowing, and seems like their partner doesn't need them anymore. They were banking on the fact that, maybe person A will come begging to them and, chase them or request them and won't be able to cope on their own. But now they're not happy about the fact that their partner has actually picked themselves up and is doing a great job. And they also know that they've lost the trust as well. So what's this World card, Spirit? Are they accepting the ending, or do they feel it's already ended? Person B already feels that their partner has already dropped them because of all these bad memories created now. They've kind of lost hope in this connection. They feel they can never really get back that balance of that happy, equal partnership anymore, because they feel their person is so that upset and angry, and the bad memories now created in this beautiful soulmate connection. They feel their partner's already ended this, so there's no chance now of, ever trying to get anything back with person A. So they feel they've been dropped. They feel they've been dropped because of all this conflict that's been created. And they're also feeling that whatever they were doing has backfired on them big time. So any action, person A, that you're going to take? Four of Swords in reverse. Why is the Four of Swords in reverse as action, Spirit, for person A? One more. I think person A has now made a choice. Just as person B had made a decision earlier. Person B had made a decision earlier. Now person A is now making this decision that I've been depressed for a very long time. I've been, by myself. I've seen the worst of lonely nights and unhappiness and depression. I think I want to work towards something which is going to now give me happiness. They want to move towards maybe their work or their goals. I do see a Queen of Wands here. So this person is now concentrating on maybe their work or whatever person B was doing, I think, earlier. I think person B is now saying, I can do that for myself. So person B is now concentrating on building themselves up once again. And I think they're being helped by the universe here, because they are going a very good direction for themselves. They are healing at the moment, yes, and also going towards their own wish fulfillment. They don't want any more drama in their life. They don't want any more conflict. They don't want any more fighting. They don't want any immature energies around them anymore. They've made that decision. Person B, will you take any action? Three of Cups in reverse. Why is that an action, Spirit? Why is that an action? One more. They feel that person is never going to allow them anyway. They feel the person is not going to allow reconciliation anyway. And yes, as much as they're sad and depressed, I think they're just standing and waiting and trying to see, if maybe person A will come back on their own, which they seriously doubt, because they see their person is not wanting to have anything to do with them. They're afraid that they will never have a reconciliation again, and because of that and because of their sadness, but still keeping their ego intact, this person is still sitting pretending to be on their high horse, even though I did see that they have been knocked off it big time. This is how actually they're feeling. They feel they've been knocked off their horse. There is no more victory. There is no, all that ego pride was all a farce. But this person is still trying to keep up a facade that, hey, I'm all right. I don't really need this reconciliation. But heart of hearts, I think person B is still looking into the future and missing person A big time. They feel they've lost their empress. So will anyone take any action here, Spirit? Any action? At least for this week. This is only my intention for this week. Okay. One more. No, person B, I think here, they know that they've created this tower. They've created a tower to fall between the two of you. They have lied about something which they right now feel they can't rectify. They don't know what to say anymore. They have nothing to say. And they're just standing there watching this tower fall all around them. What else? One more? What's this Knight of Cups now, Spirit? What's this Knight of Cups? Yes, this person has a lot of love in their heart. This is person B again. They do what they are, if they had their way, they would come rushing. They would come rushing with a big cup of love. They have a lot of romantic feelings still. They do want to come towards person A. They don't like this, the being left out and abandoned by person A. They're feeling miserable out in the cold and freezing, and where all they want to do is get into this warm, a house out there where they can be cuddled and taken care of. Right now, this person is feeling totally shattered and left alone. Heart of hearts, this is what they want, that hey, can I just come back to you, and I want to offer you my love, and I want to be your romantic hero once again. But the point here is they don't know how to apologize. They don't think their apology will even be accepted now. So yes, status quo, nobody is making a move. Spirit is urging you, somebody please be a leader here. You'll have to make that move, otherwise it's going to be dropped. Person A, who's looking gorgeous, may just move on to a new love here. So that's all I have for you, Libra. Take care, love and light. Namaste.